This is how you use your iMax B6. Plug in the power supply on the side. Plug in your red to red, black to black with a matching plug for the battery that you're charging. This is the plug that's going to be supplied with your quadcopter to match the plug on the battery. Plug it in there, and then plug over here. This is a 3-cell. You're gonna plug it over here like this. It has a direction, black on top, red towards you. Slide it in. It won't fit if you try it the other way, so okay. This is a 5,000 milliamp battery, 3-cell. So okay, when you first turn on, it might be on LiPo charge, or it might not be. If it is on another setting, a random setting like this, what you do is you press the battery type or the stop button here, and you keep on rotating, cycling until you see LiPo battery. Then you press the enter button here and it says LiPo charge. Press the enter button again and it will blink so you can change your charging amps and your voltage. Blinks, voltage blinks, back off again, and it cycles again. Now this is a 11.1, so you're gonna have that blinking. Press this button right here. This is the increase. Press it once, it goes to 11. If you press this other one, it goes down all the way to 22. We need it at 11.1. Press this button again and it stops cycling. Now when you have it not blinking, you press this button here once and you'll notice up here that it will say balance. You want to charge it on balance. Do not charge it on charge. Your other options are fast charge. You don't want to use that. Storage, if you want to store the battery, it charges it only to a certain voltage, not the full voltage. Discharges it to 3.0, and then you have back to charge. Remember to have it on balance because you have the balancer plugged in and you want to balance a 3-cell battery. When you have it on 11.1, now you can cycle it, make the amps here. You change the amps. This is a 5.0. If you have time, I would recommend charging at half a C, which is equivalent to half of 5,000 milliamps. 5.0, 5 amps. So here you're charging at 2.5 amps. If you want to charge it fast, charge this battery. You can charge it at a full 5, or I would charge it at 4. If you have time, charge it at 2.5 and it blinks again. Now it doesn't matter if this is blinking or not blinking. The moment you press enter button here for a few seconds, it's going to start charging, but it will ask you for confirmation first. So let's do this. I'm going to hold it regardless whether this is blinking or it's not blinking. Hold it down for a few seconds. Battery check, wait. It's confirming that you actually have a 3-cell and you want to charge a 3-cell. These numbers need to be the same. Now you press this button again, just once, and it started charging. 12.6. This battery right here, let's see. Here's your voltage, your amps. Now, because of the connections, you got to look for something on these chargers. Sometimes it will do this, sometimes not. Do you see this 12.6? I will press this button to look at the voltages individually. It's 3.85 and it's charging correctly. But this right here, this 12.6 should be 11 something. Stop it. You might want to wiggle your wires. Do it again. It's on balance. 2.5, 11 volts. That's correct. Press and hold. Battery check. 3 to 3. That's good. Press it again. See? You see how it's 11.3 and it's fluctuating now? That's what it should be. If you know the battery is not charged, it shouldn't say 12.6. So just look for that. This charger does that depending on the connections. You have to wiggle the wire once in a while. It will do that. Now this is correct. 2.5 is what you're charging at. Right now it's 11.46. This is your timer. And this right here is how many milliamps is actually going into the battery. Now this button right here, while it's charging, you can press it. It's the only button that you want to press while it's charging. The increase button here. You can press it once to see that all 3 cells are pretty much stable. They are close to each other in voltage. And you want to check that once in a while. You can leave it here when you charge it, or you can leave it here. If you press this, stop, it will stop charging. I stopped it. And again, to charge it, you hold it down. Confirm it. And now it's doing it right all the time. This will go up to 2.5. Now it's 11.3. Perfect. And you let it charge. And at the end, it's going to sing like a canary, letting you know that it finished charging. And that's it. And don't forget to have it on balance. And if this is somewhere that you do not recognize, let's say you went in program and you don't know where you are, you're here. Press the stop button several times and eventually it will get out and you will see LiPo battery. So you keep on pressing stop until you see LiPo battery. Then you press enter. Now you're in the charge screen. It says charge. Remember to press this button to make it say balance. There, it says balance. Make sure you have the right cell count here. 3 cell, we're charging a 3 cell, and you press and hold to charge. And that's how you use this. Included in your quadcopter is a 2 cell that for your transmitter. So for your transmitter, to charge that battery, it has the included cable with it. For that, you set it to 7.4 and make sure that you set the amps to about 0.4 on that battery. Okay, 0.4, because that's an 800 milliamp, and press and hold it. Now if I try to charge this battery with this, you see over voltage, it won't let you charge it. You can press stop. So that's a good thing. This charger will not let you charge if you have the wrong settings for this battery. So this is how you use the iMax B6 to charge your LiPo batteries. Thank you.